As Valentine's Day approaches, one of the most important phrases you'll need to know if you want to express your love to your German-speaking partner or spouse is I love you in German. So in today's lesson, you'll learn how to say I love you in German properly, and I'll also teach you some other phrases that you can use to show them that they mean a lot to you. Also stick around till the end of this video to find out the most common nicknames Germans use for their partners. Also, bist du bereit? Los geht's! If you're new here, hello and welcome to Speak Fluent German. My name is Salome. I'm a German teacher from Frankfurt, and on this channel I teach practical high standard German in plain English. So if this is something you're interested in, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly lessons. Alright, let's dive in. So the most important word you'll need in order to say that you love someone is the word lieben, which means to love. Lieben, with a long stretched E sound. Lieben. Now if we put this together into a sentence as in I love you, we would say Ich liebe dich. Repeat after me. Ich liebe dich. With ich and dich, you want to pay attention to the proper way of pronouncing the sh sound. So you don't want to say ich liebe dich. That is a common mistake German learners make, and it sounds a little bit weird. So in order to produce the sh sound properly, you want to pull the corner of your mouth back as if we're trying to smile and press air between the gap of your teeth. Sh, sh, just like an ich and dich. The other thing we need to watch out for is that we use the pronoun dich and not du, which also means you in German. That has something to do with the German case system. When there is a direct object in a sentence, the case of that object changes to the so-called accusative case. Now you might be wondering, what the heck in Bob is a direct object and what is the accusative? Don't worry, I'll make this super simple for you. A direct object is the noun or pronoun that receives the action of the verb in a sentence. And the accusative case in German is used to indicate the direct object of a sentence. So in the sentence, I love you, you is receiving the action. It's receiving the love. Therefore, it must be changed to the accusative version of du, which is dich. Ich liebe dich is the classic way of saying I love you and most appropriate for serious, long-term relationships. Alles klar? Here are some more phrases to help you express how important your significant other is to you. For example, you can say, Du bedeutest mir sehr viel. You mean a lot to me. Or du bist mir sehr wichtig. You're very important to me. If you want to take it up a notch, you can also say, Du bist mein Ein und alles. You're my everything, or you mean the world to me. And the next one is actually a very famous line from a song by Silbermond, which is a German pop rock band. Du bist das Beste, was mir je passiert ist. Du bist das Beste means you're the best thing, was mir je passiert ist. That ever happened to me. In daily life, among friends, you'll also hear the phrase Ich hab dich lieb, which kind of means I really care about you or I like you. It's not as deep as Ich liebe dich and therefore is used with friends and family to express that you care about them. Ich hab dich lieb. Now when it comes to nicknames, a lot of the times they're created organically as the relationship develops. However, the most common one you'll hear very often is the word Schatz, which actually means treasure. The verb that goes along with this noun is schätzen, which means to value or to appreciate someone, like in Ich schätze dich sehr. Some people also like to use the word Liebling, which means darling. Here we have the word Liebe again, which means love, and the diminutive ling, which is used to make the word sound cuter. Liebling. There are also plenty of animal names that you can use, and oftentimes people add chen to them to also make them sound cuter. Like for example, Hase or Hasi, Bärchen, Mäuschen. And this one is a little bit difficult actually to pronounce as you have an S sound followed immediately by the chen sound. Mäuschen. Mäuschen. As my Valentine's gift, I have a free ebook for you, which is a 5-step guide on how to become fluent in German to help you kickstart your learning journey successfully. The link to download it for free is in the description box below. I hope you have found today's video helpful, and let me know in the comments below which other videos or tutorials you want to see more of in the future. In diesem Sinne wünsche ich euch einen schönen Valentinstag. Das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank fürs Zuschauen und bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss!